PGDM, the Indian Middle Class Upgrade Plan. सैलरी कम है, रिलेटिव्स पूछ रहे कि फ्यूचर क्या है, कॉन्फिडेंस लो है. सिंपल सोल्यूशन, डू PGDM because obviously PGDM equals to life set, right? In India, PGDM is like a magic button. Once you press it and suddenly 12 lakh package occurs, company car, LinkedIn पे motivational post and शादी proposal starts coming. Because once you do PGDM, you automatically becomes a corporate material. That's what we are told, right? The marketing vibes which we get from college brochures be like 100% placement, average package 12 LPA, global exposures. Brochures को like देख के लगता है कोई like Harvard का Indian branch है. But reality differs. हमको बस ड्रीम्स दिखाते हैं HD क्वालिटी में. But the real question, but before that, let me ask you one simple thing. If PGDM automatically makes you successful, then why are there thousands of MBA graduates still struggling? डिग्री सबके पास होती है, स्किल्स, कॉन्फिडेंस, क्लैरिटी सबके पास नहीं होता है. द मिडिल क्लास लॉजिक एंड मिडिल क्लास माइंडसेट. अगर कंफ्यूज्ड हो, PGDM कर लो. ब्रेकअप हो गया है, PGDM कर लो. जॉब पसंद नहीं है, PGDM कर लो. लाइफ में कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, PGDM इज अ इमोशनल सपोर्ट डिग्री. द ट्रुथ इज PGDM इज नॉट यूजलेस, बट इट्स नॉट मैजिकल ईदर. सो लेट्स नॉट ओवर रोमांटिसाइज इट. PGDM is simply a platform. It does not guarantee transformation as such. If you don't change your mindset, the degree won't change your life. Yes, you will add MBA to your name, and yes, your LinkedIn bio will look very impressive. But internally, growth only happens if you decide to grow. Now, if you're hungry, PGDM can actually give you the right environment to grow. Because growth doesn't come from a degree, growth comes from competition, exposure, and from how badly you want it. And honestly, this is something I really understood only after joining MBA course. Next topic comes from family pressure. In middle class family, the moment you complete your graduation, an invisible pressure starts building up. Your father casually asks you, "बेटा आगे क्या plan है?" The tone sounds totally normal, but the meaning is deeper. When will you start earning? Relatives meet you at the function and ask you, "Did you get a job?" Nobody asks you if you are happy. कोई पूछता नहीं है भाई तुम कैसे हो. They ask you your package, and if your salary is slightly low than their expectations, the advice is ready. Do MBA. As if MBA is a universal solution. If you have headache, do MBA. If you have low salary, do MBA. If you are confused in life, do MBA. That's it. The next section will be comparison trap. Let's be very honest. We all compare that one school friend who is earning 8 LP and someone who is working in IT company, or someone even who have moved abroad. And suddenly you start thinking, maybe I also need to do MBA. Not because you love management, but because you hate feeling left out. And decisions taken out of fear are rarely a smart decisions. Next comes is loan reality. Now let's talk about money. 10 lakhs, 12 lakhs, 15 lakhs. For many of us, that means taking an education loan. And once loan enters the picture, pressure automatically starts increasing. Now it's not just a career decision as such, it's a financial commitment, we can see that. Somewhere inside, a voice keeps saying, now I must get a high package. That pressure is real, but you won't see that in the brochure itself. So now let's talk about brochure versus reality. Brochure shows you 100% placements, 12 LPA average package, global exposure, everyone smiling in that brochure, everyone confident, no one stressed. Is that a reality? Assignments at 11:59 PM, group projects where 2 people work and 3 disappears, presentation anxiety, placement season pressure, LinkedIn comparison. That glamorous energy fades very quickly once you enter the PGDM course. The brochure is totally different. The realization part over here is, And that's when you realize something important. PGDM does not guarantee success. It gives you opportunities. The difference is not in the degree. The difference is in the person. Same classroom, same teacher, same placement cell. Yet, one student walks away with the 15 LPA package and another with 5 LPA. Why is that? Because effort is different, communication is different, confidence is different, and clarity is different. So now this section talks about the very hard truth. The biggest mistake people make is treating PGDM as a solution. But PGDM is not a solution, it's a multiplier. If you already have skills and hunger, it multiplies your growth. If you are confused and directionless, it multiplies that confusion as well. And confusion is expensive, my friends, very expensive. So don't just research the college numbers. Research yourself first. Don't only evaluate placement stats. Evaluate your own capabilities as well. Because at the end of the day, a degree might impress society, but your skills determine your salary and your performance determines your future. And reality does not reward titles, it rewards results only. So this was episode number 1. In episode number 2, I'll talk about my mistake after joining PGDM. And trust me guys, this mistake was emotional, financial and ego breaking. If you are planning MBA, this series might genuinely save you lakhs. So stay tuned. Also, if you like my video, please subscribe the channel and please show your support. Thank you guys.